Hello everybody and welcome in. Angela here with Warren Backpack Travel, and I'm here today to help you save some money on your next Walt Disney World trip. Okay, so what are we going to talk about today? We are going to talk about packing carry-on. Packing carry-on is going to save you about $35 each way, so that's about $70 round trip, so $280 for a family of four. You really can't beat that. Now let me tell you, you do not need to check a bag for Walt Disney World. Let me say it again. You don't need to check a bag for Walt Disney World, okay? All you need is the essentials. It's warm in Florida. You're not going to need a lot of long pants. You're not going to need a lot of hoodies. You're not going to need a lot of thick jackets. It's a really easy trip to pack for. You're not going to really need formal wear either, okay? I packed formal wear twice. One time, the first time I went to California Grill, which is very nice. Also went to GCO one time, dressed up, wore the dress, wore the heels, did the thing. But look, you're going to be putting in long days at the park. You're going to be hot. You're going to be sweaty. You may not have time to run back to your room and get all gussied up. You may not want to waste the park time. And even most signature restaurants are going to let you just wear your park wear into their restaurant. As always, check the reservation guide at the restaurants, the particular restaurants you want to go to, but most of them are going to be pretty lax because there's a lot of kids at Walt Disney World and formal wear is not really a thing most places. So I'm going to show you how to pack carry-on the easy way, okay? So first off, I have my little TSA bag that carries my liquids in there. I save room because I do not pack shampoo, conditioner, body wash. I do not pack those. Disney has those. They have the H2O, which they recently took over. It's a lovely sea salt scent. It's a light scent. It's not really, it's not a heavy scent, so most people can wear it. I love it. It's a great smell. So I save a little room in my suitcase just because of that. I'm going to pack my makeup bag. It's pink. It sparkles. All the girly, lovely, loving things, okay? So I love that makeup bag. I'm gonna pack my straightener, my hairbrush. All right, so how do I pack carry-on? I pack, it's messy right now, it's all undone, but I use packing cubes. I know some people roll. I prefer packing cubes. I think they save a lot of space, and before I used packing cubes, I really couldn't pack carry-on. So I think that's been kind of the key to my success. So I'm going on a 7-day trip. I'm going to tell you how many things I'm bringing, kind of show you a little bit of what I got. I have 8 t-shirts for my 7-day trip. I pack lightweight t-shirts like this, very lightweight, things that do not cling to you. You're not going for a fashion show, but you are going to be taking pictures with your memory maker probably, so make sure you pack something you like and you want to see in photos. But you do not need to get dressed up. Nobody there is going to be dressed up. They're all going to be hot. Most everybody's going to be wearing ears, so it's not a fashion show for sure. I do have one shirt that I want to show you because I've been wearing this for 15 years. 15 years ago, I got this. It's my Animal Kingdom shirt, if you can't guess. I just love this shirt. It's thin, it's lightweight. I know it's black, and that attracts heat, but I just really love this shirt for Animal Kingdom. Like I said, I've worn it every trip for the last 15 years, and I really do enjoy this shirt, okay? And I have 7 more. Lightweight t-shirts, very easy. I have one long sleeve t-shirt, okay? Now I run super duper cold. So I'm gonna wear this probably on the return to, return flight in the airport. One long sleeve shirt. I have a pair of leggings, just basic athletic leggings that I'm gonna pack. Probably, once again, I'm not gonna wear them in the park for sure, probably, unless some freak cold thing happens. And you do want to carry something that's going to get you through if you have an off cold day. I mean, I'm not saying you don't. You probably need to pack something. I have some joggers too. These will probably be the return flight, and the leggings will just be in case. I have my pajamas in there. I'm not going to show you those. I have socks. I have 9 pair. I prefer really these Dr. Scholl's, the shorty socks. They go good with leggings if you should happen to wear leggings, but I love these. They're very comfortable. I pack a pair of flip-flops for Cali River Rapids because I do not want my feet to get wet. I do not want my feet to get wet. So before the ride, I take off my shoes, I put on the flip-flops, get back and put on my tennis shoes, and everything works out good. I bring an extra pair of tennis shoes to the parks. I bring an extra pair, an old pair that I know are going to work and they're going to be comfortable because you do not want wet feet at Disney World. Feet are your biggest asset there. You want to make sure that your feet are dry, that your feet are comfortable, and sometimes, you know, your shoes get to rubbing at a spot, so I always bring an extra pair. I have a pair of shorts, a pair of shorts, yeah. So I have I have some denim shorts. I wear denim shorts. I have some little knit shorts that I wear. Athletic shorts are great. I'm of the age that I no longer, well, I don't think I ever wore athletic shorts. I'm kind of a modest person, so I do not wear athletic shorts, but I know a lot of people who do, and if you can, that's a great option. Those little, you know, dry week or whatever, those are great because they're going to dry quick. It's going to rain probably at least one time on your trip, so you want to make sure that you are wearing something that's going to kind of dry out quickly. Denim is not the best for that. It's really not, but I do wear denim, so I have some longer shorts too. These are just cotton shorts. So that's it. That's what you need to bring. I also have a laundry bag packed in the bottom of my carry-on, because, you know, I just got it at the Dollar Tree. I just stuff clothes in there when we're done, and, you know, use it for dirty clothes. So that's packed in there too. But that is it. That's all I pack. Keep it simple when you're going to Walt Disney World. You want to just do the minimum. Whatever you would wear kicking around your house is what you want to wear. You're not going to be dressed up. It's going to be fun. It's going to be great. But you do not need to put a whole lot of emphasis into what you are wearing. Wear your fun t-shirts, wear your Imagine Family t-shirts, wear all those things. You're going to have a good time. I'm going to put at the end of this video a little like short snippet of my carry-on, because sometimes when people do these pack with me carry-ons, I'm like, did that really all fit in there? So you will see that it all fits. I zip it up. It is a legit carry-on. No tricks there. So I hope you have a great next trip to Walt Disney World. I hope you and your family have a wonderful time. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this, please give it a like, give it a subscription. I would really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. And I hope to see you guys really, really soon. Thank you so much. Have a great day.